Ayan, game.
Lugi kami kasi mali yung team namin eh. Kasi naka-space ka wala ka naman guys eh.
Yabang mo! Bumabangga ba?
Wala na masyado eh.
Malaki yan!
Ready? Okay, chest in. Get set.
Just in.
Go. Pass to number 2.
Ay!
Dribble the ball, dribble the ball. Pass to number 4. Pass to number 4. Pass to number 3. Exhibition number 3. Exhibition number 3. Pass to number 1. Pass to number 2. Dribble the ball, dribble the ball. Shoot the ball!
Oh, winner! Winner!
1 point.
1 point!
Video!
Ang tagal mo kasi.
Ay, Ting, hindi sumabit ha.
Dok, nauna sila! Nauna!
Nauna
kami.
Dribble the ball, dribble the ball.
Dok, dribble the ball.
Kunan mo ng video.
Get the first 4 points will win. Wala tayo.
Game na ngayon.
Okay.
Grabe, 1 point na dito.
Dribble the ball. Number 1, dribble the ball. Pass to number 4. Pass to number 4. Exhibition number 4. Exhibition. Pass to number 2. Dribble the ball. Dribble the ball. Dribble. Pass to number 3. Exhibition number 3. Exhibition. Shoot the ball! One. Okay, next. Hold the ball.
Natakot ako sa kanya.
Dribble the ball. Number 1, dribble the ball. Ay, wala nang break sa sunod ha. Pag na-shoot nyo, kunin ka agad ng 1 para diretso na ang ano. Dribble the ball, pass to number 2, pass to number 3, pass to number 4, shoot the ball!